Hello, hello. Yo, chat, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me, chat? Chat, can you guys hear me? Give me a moment, chat. Let me set up it real quick. Okay, let everyone join first, then we'll start. Okay, the mic is good. All right. How y'all doing, chat? How y'all doing? Is the cam okay? Okay, the cam is working. Good afternoon, bro. Bro, there's no movement today. Market is not even moving today. Yeah, bro. Chat, I'm still bullish on Euro and GU. I'll be looking for bullish price on Euro and GBP. Yeah, we tapped into this daily fair value gap, that BC right there, and I'm expecting to see some uh, reaction off of that fair value gap right there. So we have these buy side liquidity pool on Euro. Do we have that on GU? Yeah, we also have that on GU too. I kind of feel like GU probably gonna go lower. I'm not sure, but we failed to take out this low. This high here on GU, while DXY made some lower lows. Give me a moment, chat. Let me just look at it first. We have taken that. Mm, Everything's looking good. Morning, bro. Good morning. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. Real quick, give some thumbs up to the stream. Okay, we have broken through that high. This was my protective high for USD CAD. I was looking for price for not to break that high, but we broke that. Let me just take that off on USD CAD. If we continue higher from there, my drawn liquidity would be this high over there. But I'll still be bullish overall on uh, USD, sorry, Euro and GBP, and bearish on USD CAD and other USD pairs. You see these low, these are too clean for me. Okay, USD JPY did gave us some nice movement though. Okay, we have this high on USD CHF. Let me just grab the tool. Okay, we might go and fill this CB right there on USD CHF. Might go higher because we have a buy side liquidity pool right there at hourly high, and also a CB right there uh, in the premium. This dealing range right there. This is my dealing range for USD CHF. Okay, that CB is also visible on 1 hour time frame. How much point? That would be like, okay, 20 points. That would be like 20 points. So let's go and look at NAS. But for me, NAS probably gonna take out that high today. We probably gonna see NAS take out this high, that the higher one. Yep, we'll probably see some higher prices on NAS. Let's check on our chart. All right, I'll probably trade a NAS after 9:30, but for now I'll probably trade Forex. Yep, I'll be trading NAS after the market opens. Until then, let's continue with Forex. Okay, I might take a short on GU though, but I'm not sure about the short. But I feel like it's gonna continue lower. We have this BC right here. If I see a close below that on a 15-minute chart, I'll probably go short and target this low. And if it goes more lower, then this would be the last target. Euro's not moving right now, and we have news at 8:30 a.m. today for DXY, the core PPI news. Those are most of the time those were negative for DXY. If you check on Forex Factory, you will see that those news most of the time were negative. Uh, the forecast, yeah, less than forecast. The actual number were less than the forecast number every time. Not every time, almost 80%. Yeah, 80% of the time, those actual number were less than the forecast numbers. So I'll probably just wait for the 8:30 opening. Where is that? Right there. News. Okay, we tap into that and we have this CV right here. What's your bias for Euro USD Pro? For me, it's bullish today. Price has been perched inside 1 day fair value gap. Bro, I just explained that, bro. I just talked about that. We're now in a bullish fair value gap on Euro, and we have some buy-side liquidity resting. And I was bullish for the previous week and this week also. So yeah, I'll be looking for uh, some bullish setup. But if I don't see any setup from uh, on the bullish side, I'll probably try to get some short. I'll just flow with the market, bro. Okay, we don't see anything yet. The best scenario would be like if we see Euro take out this low, this one right here, like this, while GU probably not gonna take out that low. That SMT would like gave us the confirmation for price to go higher. I'll be looking for something like that. By the way, chat, I made some money today on Europe. I went short on this candle close right there. I went short during the London session. I went short, what the fuck, right there, and I got out like right below this low. So I posted that on my Discord community on also on the uh, X, yeah, formerly Twitter. I posted that a trade on my Discord community also. So it was almost like 27 pips. I made like 329 bucks on that trade. So yeah, you just need to flow with the market, bro. You can expect market to give you setup that you're expecting, but what you can do, like you just need to flow with the market, bro. If market's going higher, you'll probably look for like bullish setup. If market's not going lower, then you need to like uh, figure out how to go short and yeah, make some money, bro. Okay, do you have anything still? All right. Someone tell this dude to put on a shirt. Bro, it's too hot in my room. The window is closed and I'll be sitting here almost for an like 2 hour, almost for 2 hours I'll be sitting and I have a light just in front of my head. You're not gonna understand that, bro. I'll be sitting in front of this light here almost for 2 hours. So, and everything is closed in my room right now, just to just for less noise. So that's why I'm not putting a shirt, bro. It's not like I am here to show you my face. What the fuck, bro? What are you even saying, bro? Look at the chart, bro. Don't look at me, bro. What the fuck? All right. Okay, we are seeing a 5 minute SMT right here. Wait for another candle to close uh, below this one, this candle slope. If we see something like that, we can go short targeting that this one right here, this particular low. We can go short. How much point would be that? Like if we go short below this, okay. That would be like 8 pips, but just wait. It's been burst inside weekly imbalance gap and weekly fair value gap on balance price range. Bro, I looked at DXY too many times today, bro. But DXY look like uh, I think we might tap on this fair value gap right there. We might go and tap that CB right there, and then we gonna continue lower. Yep, that's what I'm looking at right now. But what can I say? I don't know exactly where it's gonna go. As long as we don't take out this low right here, I'll be bullish on Euro and GBP. As soon as we take out that low right there, I'll wait for something because I think price gonna continue higher after taking out that low. Because you see that shaded box right there, and let me show you the highs. Okay, uh, 121 020. That's my higher time frame objective, like long term perspective on DXY. But for this like short time, I'm looking at this right now. It's in a consolidation phase right now, so we might go lower and purge all of the sell stop right here and then go higher. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's why we've been consolidating right here. We could have gone like higher from there, but market waited to like consolidated all this time right there because we have this low here, and probably market gonna take out that low and then continue higher. Yeah, that's almost it, bro. If you have like anything else, we made some lower high right here. Let's see euro. Okay, euro made some SMT right there with the XY. Yep, bro. I feel like if we take out that low, this is my last protective low for GU because we have that SMT with XY. So that's gonna be my last protective low for GU. Unless we take out that low right there, I'll be bullish on GU. But I'm looking uh, for GU to take out that low right there, that previous candle, the previous 4 hour candles low, that one right there. Yeah, this side, the London's kill zones. Yeah, London sessions low. I'll be looking at that, but I don't want to see price come lower and you have this sell stop right here. Let's see yo. We achieved yesterday range. It hit OT. Yeah, it did hit OT, bro. GU, this one right there. It's still on that OTA level, still right there. But we might go lower. I don't know, but I'll probably look for some SMTs right here. Okay, market probably all right. You see something right here. Do you have anything right there? No. Yeah, there's still nothing that I can trust the fact that GU is gonna go higher from here. We might have a BC right there, but that's not enough for me. I'll probably wait and see if price could close above this breakout one more time. Yep. And Yeah, I'll probably wait for price to close out that. This fair value gap doesn't confirm the bias from me. Yes, I'm more bullish for the day actually. Use its Aussie high. August high. I'm also bullish on you, bro. I have that high right there. You see that one? And I have this one too. Which high is it? That's July 25. Yeah, that's the July 25 high. Yep. We will like uh, go higher and take out this high right there. Even if we don't continue more higher, I would love to see GU like take out this high, that August high, because we have taken out sell stop right here. So buyers are still in this game, in this price movement right now. Buyers are still here. They need to like get out. They will be closing their position right above this high. All right. See, chat. That's why I was not engaging with this price right there. I want to see some more confirmation. Yep. All right. There you go. But there's nothing else, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I feel like you were gonna take out that low right there. We have taken out that high right here, that 5 minute high. Let me just take this off. This motherfuckers. Okay. I have taken out that 5 minute high on euro, and we have this fair value of this CV right there. We might tap into that, but I think we might not tap into that because we have this inversion fair value gap, right? This one. We have that inversion fair value gap right there. So we might go lower and then swap that low. Which point is that? Okay, that's almost 13 points. I'll probably wait and see. By the way, chat, if I go like long on euro or GU, uh, I'll probably choose euro today because euro is more bullish today. That's what I mean. We're gonna see some cleaner price move on euro today. Okay, euro GU is going higher right now. If we take out this high and that high also, let me show you that one right there. I'll go long, bro. As soon as we take out that high, I'll probably wait for some fair value gap and go long. That's what I'm looking at. I'm going to finish our telegram discussion on telegram. Every page to put good trade bar. Thanks, bro. Bro, teach how you use DXY analysis to trade major and minor currency pairs. Bro, I only teach that privately, bro. Everything I share on the live stream, there's like I guess six, not six, 40% of the thing are taught in this on these live stream. The rest of the 60% I kept from students. Now you might say like, why are you like keeping it secret, bro? I spent like almost 4 years on this skill set, bro. I'm not gonna give away that for free. No one gave me that for free. You might say I'm using ICT concept only, but that's not it, bro. Even if you learn all the ICT concept, you're not gonna be profitable unless you find your own model. You're not gonna be profitable, bro. So there's a big difference right there. All right, going to open a ICT learning channel. But I already have a ICT learning. No, I'm not gonna open any other new channel. I'll be putting some sort of trade breakdown videos or something like my how I learned all this. Almost like anything come into my mind, I'll be putting on this channel, bro. Bro, we don't see like any down close candle on GU. That's what I'm waiting to see. I want to see some sort of black candle right there so that we can form a right there. If not this one, I'll probably wait for the next candle to see if it makes a swing high right there. If we see that that's a confirmation for price to go lower. Yep. Just look at this, bro. Look at that. You see the price is at OTA level on GU. So I don't want to see price take out this low, this high, and this high. If we are meant to go lower from there. So if I go short on this, okay, that 13 points, and that would be like 1.2 or trade. Like what, bro? How you quickly go from one pair to another? What did you mean by that, bro? What do you even mean by that? You have to be quick, bro. I'm new with. Okay, all right. You meant PC, bro. Use the keyboard, bro. There are arrow keys on your keyboard. Use the arrows to go down. Like use the down arrow to go up. Like use the up one, bro. That's easy, bro. But let me just go and look on other pairs. This motherfucker is like manipulating too much today. Bro, USD CAD is manipulating too much today. You see, USD DXY is going lower, but that beach right there is not even moving. USD JPY. Bro, there are some choppy price here. I'll be. I think I'm gonna stay out of USD JPY today. Okay, this right here. What is NAS doing, bro? Okay, NAS. took out that. No, we have that high still on S. What time is it? 8:07. Okay, it's 8:07 right now. All right, here we go, chat. If we close this candle within this candle's range, I will probably see some manipulation here. First thing we probably gonna see like a price gonna go continue lower and take out that low right there, or we might take out that low while Euro USD gonna fail to take out that low, and we continue higher from there. That's the sort of thing I wanna see. What the fuck? Don't go bullish, bro. Okay, that candles is now like cute. Bro, I'll be waiting, bro. I'll just wait. Chat, I'll be like I want to say like you one of these two, maybe Euro, fail to take out that low right there. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking at right now. I'm up like, yeah, I'm up right now. Okay, we have taken out that low. Okay, we are almost up on this straight like 1 hour. Almost hit like 1 hour on this straight. Oh, more than 1 hour, bro. Yeah, we hit like more than 1 hour on this straight. Let's see. We closed below that 15. Yeah, we closed below that 15-minute BC right there. Let me just wait and see if I can pull something off. Yep. This would be my last target on this. If not, I'll look and try to get this one also. But I don't think if we are bullish, price gonna go there down there. But at least GU should go down there. Yeah, bro. GU should at least go down there. It's now gonna scare some traders off. I'll probably gonna just manage the risk on this trade. Yeah, I'll probably manage the risk a bit on this trade. If it comes back one more time right on this fair value gap, I'll be adding some more on this trade. Let's see how it goes. Chad, is the mic on? Yeah, the mic is on, bro. Alrighty. Alrighty, bro. Chad, what do you think, Chad? Are we gonna hit this spread or is it gonna like chop chop me, bro? Don't go up, yeah, there. Don't go up. Okay, price looking nice right now. I'm up like 340 on this. Yeah, we go right now. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Let's go. If you're in this trade, just take something off, bro. Take something off. We might not see that low right there get swept, but uh, I'm expecting to see GU at least take out that low. All right, U's looking good so far. You also took out that low right there. Now we can see this one right here. We let it play. Now this motherfucker is coming down right now. Damn, bro. CHF just went higher. Go down, brother. Bro, this doesn't look good. Yeah, that doesn't look good to me. We have a 1 minute SMT right there. Yeah, fuck, we formed that 1 minute SMT there. I'll just wait and watch. The price should respect this one right here. It should not close out of that, bro. Okay, and we are now getting closer to that news or 8:30. There's almost like 10 minutes left for the news to hit, bro. If anyone in this trade right now, except me, just manage your risk properly, bro. If you want, you can take something off of this trade and put your stop loss to break even. I'll probably close the trade, bro, because we are heading close to the news. I'm just gonna watch how this fair value gap here reacts. This one right here, I'll just watch how he react off of that. If I don't see any nice reaction off of that, I'll just close the trade. Okay, now it should fall. Now GU should fall, bro. As for my analysis, we should go down right now. Yeah, we should go down, bro. Yeah, see, that's pure manipulation, bro. That's see, bro. I told you, we're gonna see everything beforehand, bro. Once we cross this high, we're gonna go like crazy. That candle slow right there. Yeah. See, see that speed, bro. Bro, that this is not looking good right now. I wanna see price just take up that low. You see, there is 1 minute SMT. These motherfuckers are like, mm, mm, the next candle should cross that low. The next candle should cross that low. If we go one more time back into that CB, bro, I'll probably close the trade. If we go one more time, I don't want to see price go one more time into that CB right there. I want to see it go down and take out that low before the news. And when the news hit, we might see some like upset delivery on GU or maybe on Euro. Bro, see, Euro's gonna take out that low. It was laid down in front of your eyes, bro. I told you that we probably gonna tap into that CB right there and go lower. And you see that move right here. Put some W's in the chat for this W analysis, bro. And yeah, if you're new, all right. I'm gonna close the trade, bro. I don't care how much I made. Yeah, I'm still on green on the trade. Yeah, I'm still green on the trade, bro. Take that trade off, bro. Because I don't think we're gonna go lower anymore. Because Euro probably gonna take out that low and GU probably gonna fail to take out that low. That's what in my mind right now. I don't want to take any more risk on that. I'll probably go long. Exactly, it's exactly in front of you, guys, bro. What did I say, bro? Fuck, fuck. The electricity went off, bro. Chat, can you see me? Yeah, you can see me, bro. I'm gonna sweat like crazy now. Okay, we have swept that low on Euro and we failed to take out that low on GU and we are at OT level. We might reverse right now, bro. We might gonna uh we might go higher right now. Pa, 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 da, pa, pa, da, 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 pa, yo, pa, di, di, pa, di, 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 pa, yo, pa, di, pa, di, 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 di. Chat, uh, try to go long if you want to, because we might go higher from here when the news hits. There's like 5 minutes left for the news. We just have 5 minutes left. I think we're gonna go higher. We have made some SMT on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, bro. It's more like this setup right here. Put your stop loss right there, and you can target some long-term high. Right, like that one right there. Yep, that could be a setup, but it's up to you, bro. If you want to take this trade, just manage your risk properly, bro. Manage the risk properly. I don't want to see some comment like you went long because I said and didn't manage your risk properly. So yeah, manage your risk, brother. Okay, Cat, we have only like 2 minutes 30 seconds left for the news. Be careful if you're in any trade. Let's look at is the cat, right. All right. As far as I'm saying, we're good to go long. Yep, yeah. Yeah, we are up right now, like three points. Like I guess. So we have 1 minute left for the news chat. Okay, 30 seconds left for the news chat. Am I gonna get step out or go higher on this one today? So I should manage to risk a little bit, bro. And 2 seconds left. Chat, put some W's in the chat right now. I want you guys to put some W's in the chat. Damn, brah. Fuck. You will see my trade. I'll show you my trade where I entered on this one. Put some fucking W's, bro. Put some fucking W's right now. Yep. Just look at that entry, bro. Just look at that long entry. We went short, and I told you that I'm not feeling this S&P right there, because that's the indication for price to go higher, and you see that play out right now. Put some fucking W's right now. Did anyone make some money, bro, in this trade? Because I've made some. Chat, how much money did you guys make? Put the number in the chat if you want to. Okay, I'll be holding this trade right there. Yeah, I'll be holding that trade. I took something off right here. 29 bucks. Great, bro. Great, great, great. So there's that 4 hour CB right there. I want to see that 4 hour candle close above that CB right there. Bro, I'm sweating like crazy. What the fuck is going on with the electricity? $7 out of 68 bucks. That's not bad, bro. You have to start with small, bro. Start with something small. Later, you need to focus on your craft, bro, not the money, bro. Just focus on your setup, on yourself. Everything else will increase uh, day by day. Bro, we did like some crazy stuff this week, bro. We hit like 3 to 4 trades this week on the live stream, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, you can put your stop loss like onto the break even, I guess. On the break even, yeah. You can put your stop loss on break even, or maybe like uh, at the low of that candle, at that low of that black one right there, the down close candle slow. You can put your stop loss right there. So I told you that those PPI news for DXY were like 80% of the time were uh, the actual number for those news were less than the forecast numbers. That's why I was expecting DXY to go lower and GU and Euro to go higher. At that same time, we had some higher objectives on GU and EU. And also before the news, we had some SMT form with GU and EU. So there's some too many things to consider when while you're taking a trade before a news or something like that. So yeah, I've shared everything today with you, with all of you, and you say that see that trade pan out, bro. Crazy, but how many pips did you like? Damn, bro, we just captured like 34 pips on this trade. NAS all-time high. Yeah, NAS also gonna go higher, bro. That's the we talked about how NAS gonna take out that high, and NAS did, bro. NAS took out that high. You see that one? We talked about NAS gonna take out that high. Yeah, bro, today was a great day for everyone, I guess. Anyone got job today? Is there anyone got job today, bro? If you are, then there's nothing to worry, bro. There's okay, we had that SMT on ES with NAS. Bro, that was also damn uh setup on NAS. But see, if I the most of the time I don't put my stop loss on a 5 minute chart because 5 minute or 1 minute chart, I would be putting my stop loss there. But the news could have like easily take out that low. So what I do most of the time, I put my stop loss like on some hourly lows, 1 hour lows, or maybe some 15 minute or 13 minutes lows. So that way I get some more space. Yeah, I get some more space to like breathe, bro. Yesterday back 139 points on Nest. Great, bro. As long as you're making some money, bro, that's great. So I would have went long on this trade like this. So that would have been my target, that daily high. So this would have been my setup on Nest because I don't want to see price like chop take out my stop while I put the stop loss right below that low, that 5 minute low. You can be stop up, bro. Market's not always gonna form these SMTs while the news come out, bro. So be careful. If you're trading some micro time frames, be careful, bro. And we see Euro check out that high also. Damn, bro. Today was a good day. Okay, we have that high. If we don't continue higher from here, I'm okay with that, bro. I've made my money on this trade. So I don't give a fuck what market gonna do next. And I'm not gonna take any other trade for today. Yeah, that's for sure, bro. I've backed some on the London session. I backed something on the New York session right now. So I'm not gonna take any more trade today. I'll just watch the price. Mhm. The price is like dancing right now. It's like dancing. Okay, my entry was like on this candle's high, I guess. Yeah, right there. The one entry was right there because of the slippage, I guess. I got the entry right there. Yeah, right there. You know, bro, the slippage issue. So on my broker, the candle, this news candle is like started from here, bro. So if I have put my stop loss right below that low while I entered long, I would have get stopped out. So I put my stop loss right below that low. So that where I was safe. By the way, Chad, I took that trade on my funded account, uh, not my personal account. I don't trade like news before the news, like couple minutes before the news on my personal account. That's risky, bro. Are you in position? Are you closer to it? Bro, I took out 50% off of this trade right here. I took out 50% off right there, and my stop loss is at break even right now. And I'm gonna leave the rest. Yep, and let's see if I can get a right to that high. If I get lucky, I guess. Because right now, I think if we don't like close out of that CB right there, we might fall, bro. You see that 4 hour candle? We have 20 minutes left for that 4 hour candle to close though. So you need to see like that 4 hour candle close above that CB right there. I don't want to see that close below that CB, bro. That's what I'm gonna look at, bro. Yeah, that way you'll be safe on the street. Still holding. But to take something off, bro, control your greed, bro. And you will see while you take every time you take 50% off of some trade while it moves like 50% of your initial target, you'll be happy, bro. Even if you guys stop out after that, at least you can say to yourself that I've taken something off of my trade. Two partials, great, bro. To it. Always take partials. Chat. I'm gonna just close the webcam, bro. You're gonna hear me because I can't tolerate this so hard, bro. Fuck. See that's what I was talking about, bro. Right there. What the fuck? So wait for that 4 hour candle to close. If you see that 4 hour candle close below that CB, just close the trade, bro. Close the trade full. You don't wanna be holding some trade like blindly. Yep. We have 17 minutes left for that candle closure. Closure, bro. What's euro doing? Okay, euros also made a big week, bro. That's a big week. Market's giving another chance to go in. I think that's what it is, but I'll just keep my hands off of the trade right now. We might go lower from here. So I'm not sure. Saying that bigger week, it's scary, bro. That week you see that? It's scary. Yeah, that's not looking good. Whatever. If it goes low, who cares? We have taken partials on the trade, so I don't care about market going the opposite direction right now. Or setup on Euro USD. Bro, there was some setup. You could have taken that news trade on Euro too, bro. I talked about how if we, I wanna see some Euro take out that low right there, and probably GU gonna fail to take out that low. And that time, the strongest one, the stronger pair, which was like the GBP. See, so we went long on GBP. Yeah, we made some money right now. Just be patient, bro. Give some time to yourself. Just breathe in, take some long breath, bro. Do not go in another trade right now. It's gonna play right now. The price is gonna play with you. Yeah, exactly. Good for you, bro. Bro, that's why I always say like take partial, bro. That's what I learned from my mentor. You could say. ICT taught us always to take partials, even if it moved like one third of your whole target. So yeah, always take partials, bro. If you don't take partials, then you're gonna regret that, bro. Okay, did you close that 4 hour candle on? Okay, there's 14 minutes left for that candle closure. But that's not looking good right now. I want to see that candle close like at least um, at the midpoint, bro. At least here of that 4 hour CB. And we have rejected from such a level, bro, that you can trust the fact that price gonna continue higher. Just manage your risk right now, and yeah, I really want to see a close right now. I want to see a close. What the fuck? Yeah, that fair value gap high right there. I want to see a closer of that. Looking for NAS for some correction. Bro, wait for the 9:30 opening on NAS. That's what I can say at least. Yeah, wait for the 9:30. That way you're gonna see the right manipulation because we have taken we are at the now like all-time high on NAS, so we might see some retracement. I think the London close session would be the best to create NAS today. The price not gonna go any higher than that today. It might close uh, a bit lower. Like let me show you. When we hit the London close, suppose this is the London close session, right? We might I'm considering this as the high of the day, so we might see some like silver bullet or something like that, and yeah, we'll probably go and take that low on NAS. If not, we might see something like that. So yeah, both way, just wait for the London close on NAS. Now it's just gonna go sideways for like 30 minutes or so. It's just gonna go sideways. Trust me on that. I Either it's gonna go higher or it's gonna go sideways. All right, this is not looking good right now. Yup, that there is one thing I see on Geo right now. Let me show you that. It's on 30 minute, I guess. Yep, that's on 30-minute chart. Okay, we failed to take out that high right there, that 30-minute high right there, but Geo took out that 30-minute high. You see that high right there? Geo took out that high. So yeah, I'm not trusting the fact that it's gonna go higher right now. I'll just close. All right, I'm out of the trade, totally out of the trade. Yeah, closed on the green today. So far today was good chat. So far today was very good. Good morning traders on FX Nest took at its all-time high but not on futures. Interesting. Is it bro? My fucking chart is slow bro. Yeah, on future it didn't took out that all-time high bro. What the fuck? and this fucking chart is delayed. It might go higher, I guess. Chat, we might go lower on euro today. We might go lower and swap that these lows and that low there. But I'm not gonna take any other trade today. I'll just wait and see price. I'll probably watch how price reacts. So we haven't closed. Okay, there's 9 minutes left, and I told you that I want to see a close of that 4 hour CB high, and we don't see that. So yeah, I'm not trusting right now. I'll just wait. Let me just take this out. Whatever chat we make, like how much on this trade? How much point did we capture? Okay, 32 points, and the risk was like here. It was a 2.5 hour trade, bro. What the fuck? We are able to grab this huge move right there on the news. Yep, let's go and look at NAS. I'll probably look at NAS right now. There's 40 minutes left for the uh, market open on NAS. Keep in mind that we don't have any other news today, chat. Chat, if you those of you who make money today, just close your fucking chart and do something else. Don't even look the stream right now. No, you can watch the stream, just don't trade, bro. You can chat in the live chat box right now, but do not like take any other trade if you have made money today trading that news. Do something else. Enjoy the stream, I guess. Bro, I'm not in any trade on NAS right now, but I do trade NAS. But sometimes, not often, but sometimes I trade NAS. Like yesterday, I traded NAS. I guess I like how much point did I capture yesterday? Like 5 points I captured on NAS 100 yesterday. It was a small trade, but yeah, I managed to get a win on NAS yesterday. So I told you we have a 30-minute S&P on Euro, bro. That's why you need to consider every time frame while you're trading. You need to uh, lock your eyes, bro. But once you have done your analysis and in a trade, like just close the fucking monitor or your phone, do something else, go run or yeah, cook something, bro. Most of the time while I play London session, I take a trade and start cooking, bro. I get busy cooking. and that way I like keep myself away from the church. What the fuck? We don't have any other news to play. Respect for the real Thursday or Friday. Is it on Friday or Thursday? Whatever. So USDCHR, let's look at USDCHR. Okay, I told you that I want us to use the CHF, take up that high right there. I might look for some setup on the USD page. So there's nothing on NAS or on Euro and Euro right now. It moved like 30 handles during the news. Okay, okay. So yeah, there is a manipulation right now. There is a SMT right now. Is there? If we have a SMT on USD JPY, it gives right now. This SMT and DXY. If this candle close like around here, uh, look for some inversion fair value gap and go short if you want to. Right. Okay, this doesn't look good. I have taken out that London session slow on that news on USD, but failed to take out that on USD cat. See that one? So might take out that high. Yep. Bro, see, Geo just came all the way down there to our entry. That's why I closed my trade right around there. See, if I haven't like taken partials around here, like there, I took my partials around here. So if I haven't done that, I would have got stopped out right there. That's why it's important to take partials on your every trade, bro. Try give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you have enjoyed today's stream, subscribe, bro. If you're not a subscriber already. And yeah, chat, go check out Atlas. And yeah, if you want to trade on a broker, try markets for you. They're in the industry like for almost 18 years right now, and you can trade indices, forex pairs, metals um, on their platform. So yeah, go check out. You will find the link in the description. Okay. I kind of think like Nest probably gonna take out the low. If I'm not wrong, let's see how price reacts. If we close above that CB right there, we might go higher. But if we respect that and like reject from there, we might continue lower and take out these two low. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna look at right now. Damn, bro. Fuck. Up, 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 up. Like what? What the fuck? What the fuck? We tapped into that small one, right? All right. We tapped into that small one right there. Let's see the 5 minute chart. All right. We might push back into that stevia one more time. What you were doing the other. Okay, you made like yeah, we made a 1 minute SMT with GU. Yeah, but I'm not sure about uh, the direction right now on GU. Did you close that? Okay, we have closed it for our candle below that CB right there. So I told you I wanted to see a close of that new candle. So I'll probably wait. I don't want to get chopped out after we make some money right now. I might just wait. Let's just say Nas. Yep. So Nas is respecting that bearish order block there. We have formed a 3 minute CB also inside of the 1 minute. The price not even tapping in one of them there. Like what? All right. So just wait and see. Okay, that blue shaded one is the 3 minute one. And we have now two 1 minute CB and we have this bullish order block right there. So price might go lower from there also and take out that low. And probably that after that we might see some retracement back to that CB. But let's just wait and see. I've been shaking, drinking all this coffee. This last few weeks have been exhausting. Transformation. This one thing that I need from you. Can you come true? Mhm. 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 Can you come true? Yo, Chad, what do you think, Chad? Are we gonna tap into that 1 minute CB before going down? Or are we gonna just use that as an inversion? What do you think, Chad? Mhm. Mhm. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come true? Yeah, that. What the fuck? What the fuck? What did I just watch? What the fuck? Damn, bro. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new, then yeah, subscribe, bro. What are you guys doing? Like, what the fuck? You just turn off. Okay. There's one thing that I need from you. Can you come true? Just made it. Looking for small correction. It could, bro. It could be. But I want to see like price reject from here. I don't want to see price continue higher. As for my analysis says we should fall. But we are close to the 9:30 opening chat. So be careful uh, before even considering any setup. I might just take this off. This is the all-time high. Go chop. Yeah. What's your thought on GBP? Stay out of it, bro. Stay out of GU, bro. It's not gonna take out that high today. That's for sure. It's not gonna take out that high, bro. We're probably gonna just go sideways a bit. Probably gonna just sideways, move sideways, and well, during the lemon close, we might close somewhere between there. I'm not sure exactly, but I'm not gonna touch that today. Don't touch, bro. Do not touch GU or EU today. It moved. It already moved like crazy. See, there's no clean swing high or swing lows on any of those pairs. But I feel like Euro can like take out that high. Euro can go up and take out that high. But those are some risky trade, bro. What are you even saying, bro? Forex is not slow, bro. Let me just show you. You said this move from here to here is slow. What the fuck are you even talking about, bro? You said this candle is slow setup. These are slow. These are slow. What are you even saying, bro? But everyone has their own choice. I feel like Forex suits me well. Yeah, I make money with Forex, bro. I make money with Forex. So as long as I'm making some money, I don't care what market is it, bro. But let's put all of this aside and look at NAS. NAS is dancing right now, bro. Okay, no, we're not gonna form an any S&P. This candle, this right now, the current candle should like cross that high if we are meant to go higher. This high should be crossed with that candle right there. If you find indices good for you, then it's okay, bro. Everyone have their own choices, but I've learned everything from ICT with Forex, bro. If you have watched his old videos, the old ones from his channel, then you would know, bro. All he did, uh, most of his analysis were on Forex pairs. So that's why I'm more connected to Forex. And I see his concept work uh, really well on Forex too, bro. But there's so many things to consider on well, like trading futures. Okay, this candle should like move high right now. I don't want to see any swing high form. Okay, we are using that 3 minute candle, right? I might see some setup right now. Let me just zoom in thing. Chat, I might go long on Nest. I'm not sure where I'm gonna go long, but let's see, bro. But ES seems to move nicer than Nest today. What the fuck? Let's see if we can make any money on Nest. I'll probably just trade a bit, like some small position on Nest. Give me one more chance. Come on. All right. Now it should go and take out those high right there. And we are close to 9:30 opening. There's 13 minutes left for the market to open. All right. Let's see if we can make any money on NAS today. Mm, all right, bro. There's some SMT with Nest right now. With that high right there, I see some SMT with ES, but I want to see it like rip that high off right now. That high right there, I want to see it go through that with speed. I want to see some speed right now. Bro, where are you from, bro? I told you guys that I'm gonna say everything about myself when the time comes, bro. It, why does it matter even, bro? Every day I'm like just saying you guys not to ask that, bro. And you guys just keep asking me where I'm from, where I'm from. If you are here to know me, then don't be here, bro. If you're here to learn something or see how I trade, be here, bro. Okay, we're moving right now, bro. I want to see that high just, yeah, I want to see some speed right now. I want to see Nest just take that high with speed. Let me check on my trade. Okay, we are up right now. Not by much, but yeah, we are still up right now. Go, Nest, go. Okay, Nest is almost about to take that high out. It's not showing here. Yeah, we gonna take out that high, I guess. So what the fuck? What is even going on right now? Okay, I might just move my stop loss a bit. I'm not gonna put any more risk into this trade, I guess. Let me check on the 5 minute chart. Yeah, it doesn't look good. So we're about to take out that high, bro. Yes, just moving higher and higher, bro. Nas became slow right now. Do we have anything? We have this, bro. We are streaming like almost 2 hours right now. That's why I stay like this, bro. I don't wear t-shirts. One device, bro. What the fuck that's supposed to mean, bro? One device, bro. What does it even mean, bro? Are you streaming every day? Yeah, bro, I'm streaming every day, bro. I'll probably start streaming on Twitch also at the same time, like both on YouTube and Twitch. Bro, I just posted the Twitch account on the community post, so go and follow the account on Twitch. Okay, this doesn't look good. We have a balanced price range right there. Can you guys see that? We have a balanced price range right there. Let me just take this off. We have this balanced price range on the 5 minute chart. So if we meant to go higher, Then I want to see price just respect this balanced price range. I don't want to see price come all the way down here and like close down there. Maybe we could see some wick into that balanced price range, and I want to see some reaction off of that. Appreciate it. Thank you, bro. Give me a roadmap for teaching ICT step by step. What can I say, bro? Just go to his channel, and yeah, I think 2020 would be best for you. Those who want to learn ICT, that's the basic. 2020 is more easier than those other mentorship videos on his channel. Okay, we're respecting this uh, inverse BC there. Yeah, BC there, and price took out that uh, 830 high on PS, bro. But he failed to take out that high on NAS. Okay, we see some wick that look very good. We just had a swap on, yes. Yeah, bro. We saw that, bro. We have that swap on, yes. And NAS is struggling to go higher right now. But I don't want to see it go lower. Do we have anything to consider? We might see some SMT right here on NAS, right? With this high. Sorry, this low, and we're probably gonna form a swing low here, while ES gonna take out that low, and we're gonna rip through that high. NAS is just moving like shit right now. Yep, it's moving right now. Yep, go and take out that high down. Mhm. Okay, we have taken out that high on NAS. Now I don't want to see that see NAS come down for sure, bro. Not gonna lie, I don't want to see it come down. Okay, we have this high, that one right there, intact, bro. All right, that doesn't look good. Okay, okay, I might just wait for something else to get in one more time. I just closed that long trade on NAS. I don't like this setup right now. Okay, price tap into the breaker on the 3 minute chart, and that breaker is also a bullish order block on the 5 minute chart, and we have a 5 minute BC right there. Yeah, damn, bro, I just got out on that candle's high. What the fuck? Yeah, that's what I want to see. I want to see a SMT right here with ES. Yeah, just look at that, bro. Look at that. I just told you that I want to see ES take out that high while NAS probably failed to take out that high. And you see that. Mhm. So let's put some W's in the chat. We just, bro, you're making fun, bro. What the fuck? Okay, NAS is just, bro, NAS is not looking good right now. If we take out that low, I'm not sure is it gonna go higher or lower right now. If we take out that low, I'm not sure whether NAS gonna go higher anymore. Because once we take out that low, I'll be looking at this one right here to see something like this. And this is the balanced price range on the 5 minute chart. Remember, chat, this is the 5 minutes balanced price range. So we don't want to see price go through that, right? So yeah, we might just wait. Will you tap into that OTA? No. Are we in the premium right now? Discount zone, right? Bro, see, that's what I was telling you. What the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck? Okay, we have taken out that high, sorry, that low on the 1 minute chart. I was talking about that low. Bro, that damn. I just got out there. What the fuck? Oh, we disrespected that balanced price range, bro. Yeah. Did anyone make some money, bro? Did any of you make some money? You already booked some profit. Bro, I booked profit on like GU and NAS, and during the London session I booked some profit on Euro. So yeah, today was like three back-to-back trades where each of them, all of them were green, bro. Yeah, you could say like I got lucky today. Ripping. Bro, let's look at GU, bro. Oh, okay, GU is too slow, bro. See, Chad, that's why I told you like to if you want to go long, you can go long on Euro. Euro is gonna be smooth, and you'll see that this is not like smooth, but uh, cleaner than GU, I guess. Yeah, GU is not gonna move cleaner than Euro. It's gonna be like slow today. GU is gonna be slow, reaching that high. Let's go back to damn, bro. Today we had some Devi analysis. What the fuck? Chat, are we gonna go higher or lower today? I think price gonna take out that low. That news candle's low. There's some huge stop loss right below that low. So we might take out that low. Bro, what the fuck? Don't go short right now, bro. Do not go short. Now you have nothing to do. Bro, this look like an M, bro. What the fuck? Do you guys see that? This motherfucker look like an M, bro. What the fuck? Retails. Bro, I'm a crazy retail trader, bro. We have this M right here, so price went here, failed to complete that M, and we went down to take out that M low. So there was this M pattern. You didn't see that. I went out while this failed to take out that first M high, and yeah, it was a weak M, bro. What the fuck? Wanna see data low taken out and look for long. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm also waiting. But I feel like we're not gonna see that. Bro, on the 15-second chart, there's nothing, bro. There is that this choppy candles, like gap candles on the 15-minute charts. Yeah, we're going down again. Are we gonna go higher? All right. Okay, we have taken out that high. We have this one right here left. And let's look at the 5-minute trade, bro. Okay, he is probably gonna tap into that CB right there. And if we are bearish, then we might fall from there. More like that. Yeah. If we are bearish, if we see a close of that 5-minute CB right there, we might go higher. But NAS looking too strong right now, bro. NAS is tripping just on the 15 minutes, 15-second chart. It's not here, but it's on my phone right now. In the 15-second chart, it's just going like crazy, bro. Okay, we also have this breaker low. So let's see if we can get a tap into that, and yeah, I'll probably see some wait for some fair value gap to form here after this candle. So what the fuck, bro? I was about to just put my mic. Fuck, damn, bro. Okay, we tapped into that 3-minute fair value gap, but we do we have anything with NAS right now? Yes. Okay, yes, tapped into that 3-minute fair value gap chat. Now we have to consider these candles. I want to see how price continue from here. That candle low. I want to see that candle slow. Sorry, not that. I mean this candle low. Yep, this one right here. What the fuck? Did you just tap into that? No. We were about to take out that low. I guess like we're gonna move for a bit sideways right there. We're gonna move a bit sideways right there. Yep. Bro, yes, just respecting that CV right there. We had this that fair value gap right there, and we have that order block. Okay, yes, look good right now. But Nas, bro, damn Nas is okay. We have taken out that low on Nas. We have taken out that low on Nas, bro. Can we see some more fall right now? Yep. All right, it's wasting time right now. I give it one more push right now. Do we have anything on the hourly chart for Nas? Because we have taken that all-time high on Nas. Okay, we have that fair value gap on Nas, that BC right there, and we still need to tap into that. Okay, yeah, we need to tap into that BC right there. All right, I want to see tap into that BC. Come on. And we have these relative equal lows right there on that BC. Come on, give me a tap. Yeah, what the fuck? Did I get so? Okay, I made something. I made a small portion right there from that uh this candle's high. Yeah, right there on that candle opens and right there. How much point was that? Okay, that was almost like 15 points right there. Yep, bullish SMT on NQ and yes, beta lows. Yeah, bro, we haven't taken out that data low on yes, but we haven't formed any swing low right yet, bro. We wanna see some swing low. We can't like consider anything like a SMT. I wanna see a swing high, bro, on the higher time frame. It could at least on a 5 minute chart. I wanna see a swing high, swing low, bro. If I don't see that, and then that's not a like into that. Cat, we tap into the fair value gap, bro. All right, bro. Let's see if we can get anything there. All right. Okay, there's nothing here, no fair value gap on the 1 minute chart, but we do have a CB right there. Let's see if we can push through that. Maybe I'll go long. I'll just go long, I guess. But the 30-second chart is not looking good, bro. 30 seconds and the 15-second chart is not looking good. Those are more choppy, bro. Not choppy, but more bearish, bro. Those are looking like bearish. But this 1 minute here is, bro, I'll just wait. I'm not gonna go, not gonna long on net right now. Yeah, I'll just wait, bro. We see, yeah, yes, also respecting that inverse uh, BC right there. You see that we're respecting that, bro. It it could be like we wanna continue lower. It could mean that, bro. Okay, we made another lower low. We made these lower lows on Nash, and we have that higher highs here. So that's why I'm telling you guys just to wait for a 5 minute S&P. Yeah, from this low to that low. Okay, if this candle cross that high, the previous candle's high, we might go higher, bro. But if that candle just take out that low, the previous candle's low, we are not going up. We may need to wait a much longer. Yeah, bro, I'm also waiting that uh, CB right there to be inversed. What is that? Okay, that's the all. No, this is not the all-time high. Let me just clean up the chart a bit. I'll just clean it a bit. What the fuck? We have made. Okay, we did created a 1 minute S&T, but as long as we're below that uh, inverse fair value gap there, I'm not gonna look for any longer. I'll just wait. See that that's what I'm talking about, bro. I don't want to get into this position right now. I want more confirmation. These are not enough for me. Okay, the 15-second chart is looking good though. We might go higher now. I want to see that candle like rip through that high. I want to see that candle right there. If not that, maybe the next candle. But right now that price action right there, it's too manipulating, bro. Just wait. You will have your entry, bro. Just wait for it. See, that's what I'm talking about, bro. All right, take that high out. Take that high out, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. That doesn't look good. Yep. Now it's time. What the fuck, bro? It's coming down one more time. What is even Ness trying to do? So we're up right now. Not by much, but a little. Alright, it's coming down again. Why the fuck are you doing this, man? Okay, we're up. So that's why I don't love to like to sit down in front of the chart where when I'm in a trade. Which funded account you use, bro? I'm using Atlas Funded right now. You can check out through the link in the description of this stream. Yes, looking good, bro. Yeah, yes, it's looking good. I know, bro. But we are seeing this damn SMT right there. This damn SMT are just forming one by one, bro. What the fuck is going on? Now we have another one right here. Like what? Is price even gonna go higher or lower? We might swap one more time. We might swap that low one more time. Bro, I want to see this candle. If we meant to go higher, I want to see this candle just close below, close above that inverse CB right there. If it doesn't, forward, bro. See, bro, that's what I was talking about, bro. We might take out that 4 hour high, 4 hour low, bro. I mean 1 hour low. What the fuck am I even saying, bro? We might take out that 1 hour low. All right. So as we swap that low one more time right there. We might go lower, bro. I think we're gonna go lower. I kind of feel like because we have broken the all-time high on mass, and yes, it's also falling, bro. Yes, it's now falling. But you can use this fair value gap right here probably to go short. If we get a tap into that, we might target that sell-side liquidity right there. Let's see if we can get a close to that CB right there. If you see that, that's nice. Okay, yes, it's also made. Okay, there is that SMQ. Yeah, and that's gonna go lower from there. Yep. I feel like we're gonna take out that low, bro. Everything's indicating that we might take out that 1 hour low. Have you taken payout from this one? Yeah, bro, I did. If we don't see the first presentation inverse, then I'll wait for the Asian as well. Took that shot on Dex, got a big push down, heading to 23. Great, bro. Captured something, then great. But Nas is not looking good, bro. Yeah, bro, it's not looking good. What the fuck is going on? Okay, we closed above a 30-second CB right there. All right, this candle is gonna decide either we're gonna go lower or go higher from there. All right, this candle is gonna decide Jack. Yeah, I wanna see it go down right now. Nas is going to go back to all-time high. On futures, it did not take the all-time high. Yeah, but we have this all everything indicating that we might see a 1 hour sweep, bro. Have you taken a payout from this fund? Yeah, bro, I did, bro. How many times I have to say that? All right, now I want to see a fall, bro. Time within that CB right there. That I think I'm done for today. I'm not gonna look for any setup today. It's almost 10 a.m. right now. We're heading to the London close skill zone. And there goes my last trade. Yep. So yeah, chat. I think we're done for today. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, be safe and yeah, peace out, chat.